Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really easy slime for beginners, and I really hope that you enjoy this video. The first ingredient is some white PVA glue. Then you can add some food dye to colour your slime. You can always leave it white or colour your slime with paint if you don't have any food dye. Now mix your food dye and your glue together to make one solid colour. Now we need our borax activator. I'm using 1 teaspoon of borax to 1 cup of warm water, and then mix your borax into the water until the borax is completely dissolved. Then mix your slime until it starts pulling away from the sides of the bowl. Once you get to this stage, just add a bit more activator and then just carry on mixing after that. Once you get to this part, now you just need to start kneading it a bit with your hands. It will feel a bit sticky at first, but the more that you knead it, the better it will get. Then just take it up into your hands and start folding it over. The more that you knead it, the less sticky it will become to your hands, and it will start to pull together a lot more than when you're mixing it in the bowl. Once it isn't sticking to your hands so much, now you can start kneading it on the table. I find that kneading it on the table is a lot easier rather than mixing it in the hands. After a few minutes of kneading the slime, this is what your slime should look like. My lighting changed a bit, so that's why it's a different colour. If your slime rips a lot when you're stretching it, then you might have overactivated your slime. This can be solved by adding a lotion or leaving it in a warm room for 2 to 3 days, or until it melts a little bit. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!